Are you tired of being bored while brushing your teeth? Introducing Brush Hero, the #1 dental hygiene-based controller for Guitar Hero 3. Play all your favorite songs. It's simple to use. Connect to Bluetooth, press the buttons, and then brush to strum. Order now while supplies last. 155 BSH Hero. That's 155 BSH Hero. So why did we make Brush Hero? PickHacks this year is all about entertainment. So we figured, how can we bring entertainment to everyday tasks? And we decided the best way to do that would be to bring games into brushing your teeth. Obviously it's ridiculous, but we decided to do it anyways. We did this by adding motion detection inside of a toothbrush, which communicates via Bluetooth, allowing us to create a virtual game controller. With that in mind, let's go into a little bit more detail on how we made this. Hardware was a very major part of making this project work. The main goal here was to have a Arduino that was housed inside of an electric toothbrush. On the side we have mounted buttons so that way we can control. Inside we have an accelerometer which measures movement, and all the data gets transmitted to a PC with Bluetooth. We went through a lot of designs trying to get this mount to work right. As you can see, we printed and made a lot of these. We struggled a little bit with trying to find a good power system. We tried a couple different types of batteries. This one right here worked the best. We had some problems with the 9-volt. It wasn't able to power the whole thing. So we also had a prototype whenever we were starting out. This here's the accelerometer. We started out just mounting on the outside because it was a lot easier to debug. So this was our first working prototype. It didn't use Bluetooth yet, but that was fine. We learned a lot about the movement required for brushing. So for our code, we had two main parts. We had Python and we had C++ on the Arduino. The Arduino's main purpose was reading data from an accelerometer and from buttons and sending that data through Bluetooth. And then on the Python scripts, we mostly worked on reading that data and then converting it into key inputs. There was some problems with double strumming and with strums not being measured properly. So with Python, we also measured the data and we ran some analysis to see various thresholds that we could map brushes to, which helped significantly. So these are some of the charts that we made in the process. We gathered data on various axes. So we had a lot of fun making this project. It was definitely a challenge and we learned a lot. Unfortunately, whenever you solder on a toothbrush, that means that there's solder on the toothbrush. So we didn't get to use it as we intended. This was also the first time we had worked on a project with such size constraints. There was a lot to learn from this and we're really glad with the results. Overall, we had tons of fun and we'd like to thank everybody involved with making PickHacks happen this year. It was a great time.